TS Inter First Year Physics Question Paper IPE May 2021. Important. Hello friends, I am Vamsi Krishna. Welcome to my channel. So today I am going to tell the most important paper. The very much important paper today I am going to discuss, that's going to be Physics. Inter First Year Physics Telangana Question Paper IPE. Friends, for May 2021, what kind of questions may appear in the public examinations for May 2021? What are the questions in which the students need to learn perfectly? What are the questions? What are the chapters in which the students need to understand and be well perfect and get well prepared in the subject? Friends, I suggest and I request all the students and I advise all the students to watch the video completely, because this topic, the questions, the topics in which I am going to tell today is going to be very important to all the students of Inter First Year regarding TS Physics paper for May 2021. Friends, the first and foremost thing is, before I am going to start, the very important point is, if you want to know more details, more information regarding the diagrams, the questions, the topics regarding physics paper, in the description below of this video, you can find the information, details, topics, questions, each and everything. In the description below of this video, you can find the information, details of important questions or any other topics regarding Inter First Year Physics of TS. Question paper details for May 2021 IPE. The first and foremost thing is, friends, first of all, once again I tell that student should be able to understand the concept, my dear friends. Before starting, first of all the students who watch this video, try to understand the concept. Try to understand the meaning of the question, concept of the question, concept of the lesson, concept of the chapter. Very important. Very important. If you understand the concept and the lesson, it is very easy. It's not at all difficult. It's very easy to get 100 out of 100 marks in physics first year paper. Inter First Year Physics paper. It is not at all difficult. It is not at all difficult, but it is very easy. It is very easy to get 100 out of 100 marks in physics paper of IPE, Telangana. Friends, the first and important questions today I am going to tell is, what is physics? First, what is the meaning of physics? What is the definition of physics? What is the meaning and the definition of physics? What is the physics? Why we learn physics? What is the use of physics? Why we learn physics? Students should be able to understand. The most important thing is, the success formula of getting 100 marks in physics paper is practice. Practice is only the success way to get 100 out of 100 marks in physics paper. That is only the solution, and that is only the best and the easiest solution to get 100 out of 100 practice, understanding, meaning, concept, practicing in a book is the best secret formula to get 100 out of 100 in physics world. Any student, the students even below average student who are unable to understand the physics concept, if they practice well, if they try to understand the meaning, what is physics? Fundamental forces in nature, for example, if we take, what is physics? What is the fundamental forces in nature? What is the meaning of forces in nature? What are the fundamentals? What is the meaning of fundamental? Fundamental forces in nature means what? What are the units and measurements? What are the units and measurements? Understand meaning. And international system of units. International system of units. Measurement of length. This length is there. You need to measure that particular length. What is the measurement of length? What is a mass? Definition of mass. Time. Accuracy. Dimensions of physical quantities. Motion in a straight line. What is a straight line? What is the meaning of straight line? First, students should understand what is a motion, what is a mass, what is the time, what is accuracy. International system of units and forces in nature. In nature, what is the meaning of force? Force means what? Fundamental force in nature means what? Physics definition. Measurements means what? Time means what? Mass, time, accuracy. What is the meaning of accuracy? And dimensions of physical quantities. Motion in a straight line. Positive path. Length and displacement. Positive path. Length and displacement. What is the length? What is the displacement? What is acceleration? Main important concept. Acceleration. Relative velocity. What is velocity? What is a straight line? What is a motion in a straight line concept? What is motion in a straight line? Students should understand. Students should understand the topic. If you take, suppose if the student takes a concept like motion in a straight line, concept is there. This lesson is there. Suppose if we take like units and measurements, topic is there. A full chapter. Each and every step. If the student sees units and measurements each and every step, the paragraphs, whatever the steps are available in the textbook, just first try to understand. If you get any doubts, you can clarify all these units and measurement through the physics lecturer. Okay, fine. But the main thing is, what is units and measurements? Learn the paragraphs. See the diagrams in the physics. Learn each and every paragraph. Understand and practice in a notebook. Learn each and every paragraph. Understand and practice in a notebook. One of the most important formula to get success. Next, positive path, length and displacement, acceleration, relative velocity. What is the velocity? What is the meaning of velocity? Students should understand. Scalars and vectors. Scalars and vectors. What vectors means what? A bar, B bar, C bar, A bar plus B bar plus C bar, I bar plus J bar plus K bar, 1I bar plus 3J bar plus 2K bar. Like that, scalars and vectors. Very, very important, my dear friends. Product of vectors, like that. Laws of motion. As already I said that motion in a straight line. What is the motion? In a straight line, what is the motion? Students should understand. Laws of motion means what? Circular motion. Work. Work means what? What is a time? What is accuracy? Accuracy means what? What is mass? Measurement of length is what? Taking any unit, taking a particular unit, taking a particular chapter, learning each and every paragraph and practicing in a notebook as well as diagrams. Continue the repeated way. I suggest each and every student just continue to understand each and every paragraph. In the question, meaning of the question is what? Meaning of the answer. Concept of measurement of length is what? Concept of system of units. Units means what? what it is, scalars or vectors, scalars and vectors is what. This is very, very important, my dear friends. Friends, one thing I want to say once again, if you want to know the details of important questions regarding physics of inter first year Telangana TS for May 2021, in the description below this video, you can find the details, the concepts, the topics, each and everything regarding physics inter first year paper. Friends, finally, like my video, please try to subscribe my channel and click on bell icon so that you will get my update in next videos. And once again, TS inter first year physics question paper IPE May 2021. Important information you can find in the description below of this video. Thank you so much.